Throughout this course, you are going to learn how to build a complete e-commerce application from scratch using the .NET Core MVC. But what are you going to learn from this course? You'll first learn about the MVC, so what MVC is and how everything is connected together. Then you'll learn how to create the views, the models, and the controllers. Then next, you'll learn how to configure the SQL Server to the application and also set up the DbContext file, which is a file that is used to interact with the database. After you set up the database, you'll learn how to create, how to read, update, and delete data from the database using the Entity Framework Core. In here, you'll learn how to work with simple, but also relational data. You'll also learn about the different database relationship types. Now, to work with data, you'll need to add different services, and you'll learn how to work with simple services, but also generic services. A core feature in this app is the real-time update of the shopping cart once an item gets added to the cart or removed from the cart, and to add that feature, you'll use ViewComponents. By the end of this course, you'll learn about authentication and authorization, and you'll implement the role-based authentication in this MVC app, and also integrate the PayPal SDK for online payments. You'll also learn about other topics like the dependency injection, the model binding, routing, model validation, tag helpers, etc. So, let's get started.